Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're making a hair simulation. So go ahead and open a new document and obliterate the default cube. Add a plane, and in the particle settings, add a particle, make it a hair, make the hair length like 0.125, and in the children, make it interpolated and take on hair dynamics. Now add a UV sphere, scale that down to like 0.1 and bring it up 0.2 and bring it over here and keyframe it for location, and then like 20 frames later bring it over the other side, keyframe it again, and make this a collision object. So now the hair should interact with the ball and make like a cool displacement. If you want it slower, just like that. And you have that. But sometimes the hair will go under the ground and that doesn't look as good. So you can duplicate this plane and bring it down like negative 0.005, make that a collision and turn off its particle settings and scale it out like 5, and it should not go underground anymore. Time to shade it. You can hide this plane, it doesn't need to be in the render, it doesn't do anything. To shade this, you can make a new shader and make a gradient texture, make a geometry node with separate XYZ, position Z, and color into the base color, and make a multiply node in between the separation and the gradient, and that'll give like a root, like so the bottom will have a root and the top will be a different color. Now make a color ramp in between the gradient texture and the color, and get your colors. And now in the render, it should have more hair, be all colored. Oh, bring in the camera by doing G and ZZ to zoom it in, and just shade smooth. So now you have a cool hair simulation, quick and easy. Hope you guys like it. We'll be doing more physics simulations soon, and we'll see you next time. Bye.